Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are on the website of financebus.com, and on this financebus.com website we have a blog to review the app through which you can earn money, which is Trim app. Trim app review 2023. Is it legit and can it help you save money? Let's see. Looking to improve your personal finances, Trim can help you save money on things like unwanted subscription, gym memberships, and even internet bills. Trim is an online service that seeks to help customers, consumers improve their personal finances. It can help you eliminate unwanted expenses, automate your savings, develop a payoff plan for your debt, and help you find the best ways to manage money. Trim can also analyze your spending for any additional savings and even negotiate your cable or internet bills for you. While the company does require a linked bank account to achieve all of this, it's also incredibly secure using encryption technology similar to that used by banks, as well as additional security features such as two-factor authentication. What is Stream? Stream was started in 2015 by founder and CEO Thomas Smith with the goal of helping Americans improve their financial health. Since then, the company has saved its users over $20 million by helping them manage their everyday finances and find new ways to save money. Sorry, the company does not just save you money by scouting out opportunities to cut superfluous expenses. It can also help you set financial goals uh, you know and stick to them through its personalized saving and and debt payoff program. The company works to educate its users to on how to manage money by providing helpful guidance and attainable milestones along the way. How does Trim work? Trim is a budgeting tool that offers a wide array of financial services, all of which are meant to, uh, you know, uh, all of are meant to help you simplify your personal finances and better your financial life. Whether you are looking to more closely track expenses, pay off a large debt, automate your saving, or even find a rewards credit card that better suits your need, Trim offers online features and counseling that can help you achieve all of these goals. Although signing up for Trim is completely free, the company offers both free and premium subscription features. Within, the company, okay, sorry, it notifies within its platform, it notifies you in advance whenever any service you are using carries a fee. The free services on offer include a customized dashboard with your financial accounts, spend and late fee alert reminders, overdrafts, fee notifications, and cancellation of unused subscriptions. Trim's premium features include bill and interest rate negotiations, debt payoff help, and the Trim Simple Savings account, which offers uh, 1.5% annual reward on your total balance. These features vary in price, with some being based on a percentage of what the company is able to save you, and others set at a flat monthly rate, while saving and debt programs post a steady rate between $2 and $10 per month. Trim bill negotiations rates vary based on the savings involved. There aren't an upfront charge associated with your bill negotiation. Instead, the company charges 33% of its yearly savings on your bills. For example, if Trim saves you $120 in a year on your phone bill, the charge would equal $39.60. This might used like a lot, But when you consider that you are only charged on annual savings, it's actually a win-win. Even paying this amount still saves you roughly $80 more than if you hadn't used trim. If and if the company does not save you any money, you will pay nothing. Who should use trim? Trim is based for those interested in saving money and improving their finances in a variety of ways using one single platform. While individual platforms offering expense tracking or automated savings are widely available, Trim is one-stop shop for those looking to enhance their overall financial standing by exploring every avenue the company has to offer. How much can you save with Trim? Well, exactly how much can you save using Trim is unclear. It's easy to see how such a platform would be beneficial for some people. Trim's approach to smarter spending and debt management would undeniably save someone money in a variety of ways, with one of the biggest values being education, right? See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye, take care.